In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a page in Adobe Acrobat. First, let's open your PDF. To do this, launch Adobe Acrobat on your computer. You will see the home screen where you can access your recent files or open a new file. Click on the File menu in the top left corner. Then select Open from the drop-down menu. A File Explorer window will pop up, allowing you to navigate to the location of the PDF you want to edit. Once you find your file, click on it to highlight it, then click Open at the bottom of the window. You will now see your PDF displayed on the screen. This is essential because you need to have the document you want to modify open to proceed with adding a new page. Next, go to Tools and select Organize Pages. Look for the toolbar at the top of your screen. You'll see various tool options available. Click on Tools, which is often represented by a wrench or a similar icon. A new set of options will appear, and you should find Organize Pages there. Click on it and you will be redirected to a view that shows all the pages of your PDF in thumbnails. This view is important because it allows you to see your document's structure, making it easier to determine where to add your new page. Once you are in the Organize Pages view, click on Insert in the top bar. This button is typically located near the middle of the toolbar. When you click it, a drop-down menu will appear, giving you options for how you want to insert a new page into your document. This step is crucial because it opens up the possibilities for how you can expand your PDF, whether by adding a blank page or incorporating existing content from another file. Now you will see two options, blank page or from file. If you want to add an empty page, select blank page. This option is perfect if you need space for new content like notes or images. Alternatively, if you wish to add a page from another PDF or image file, choose from file. This allows you to incorporate existing material directly into your document. Understanding these options helps you customize your PDF according to your needs. After selecting your preferred option, you will need to pick where to insert it. You will see a small dialog box prompting you to choose the location in your PDF where the new page will be placed. You can select to insert it before or after a specific page by clicking on the corresponding option. This step matters because it allows you to maintain the logical flow of your document. Once you make your selection, click OK to confirm. With that ready, you should now see the newly added page in your PDF. If you chose a blank page, it will appear as an empty canvas ready for your input. If you added a page from another file, it will show the content of that page seamlessly integrated into your document. This ensures that all your changes are saved and reflected immediately in your PDF, allowing you to continue editing or reviewing the document without delay. Congratulations! You have successfully added a page to your PDF in Adobe Acrobat. This skill can significantly enhance your ability to manage documents efficiently. By following these steps, you are well on your way to creating the perfect PDF tailored to your requirements.